Çökertme Kebabı. Crispy potatoes, tender meat, garlic yogurt. Let's make it in just 3 minutes. Let's gather everything we need for our classic Çökertme Kebabı, a dish celebrated for its incredible layers of texture and flavor. For the heart of the dish, you'll need thinly sliced beef, sirloin is a great choice, and potatoes, cut into fine matchsticks for that signature crispy base. For our sauces, we'll prepare a creamy garlicky yogurt using thick strained yogurt. Then, a vibrant tomato sauce using rich tomato paste, butter, and olive oil. To season everything perfectly, we have paprika or Aleppo pepper for warmth, salt, and black pepper. Finally, fresh parsley and a lemon wedge for garnish. Cut the potatoes into thin matchsticks, pat them dry, and fry in hot oil at 180 degrees until golden and crisp. Drain and season lightly with salt. Marinate the beef strips quickly with olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. Sear them in a very hot pan for 2 to 3 minutes until browned but juicy. Let's create the cool, creamy yogurt base. Start with a high-quality, thick-strained yogurt. Add freshly crushed garlic for a pungent, aromatic kick and a pinch of salt to elevate the flavors. Whisk everything together until it's perfectly smooth and velvety. This luscious, garlicky yogurt provides the perfect cool contrast to the rich meat to come. Now for our vibrant tomato sauce. Melt butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir in tomato paste and cook for a minute. This crucial step deepens its flavor and removes any raw taste. Slowly whisk in hot water to create a smooth base, then season with paprika for that beautiful red hue and a pinch of salt. Let it simmer gently for a couple of minutes until it thickens slightly and develops a rich, glossy sheen. Now for the assembly, where all our hard work comes together. Start by creating a generous foundation with those beautifully golden, crispy matchstick potatoes. Spread them out evenly. This crunchy base is designed to soak up all the delicious juices. Next, add a cooling contrast with a large dollop of creamy garlic yogurt right in the center. Then, carefully pile on the tender seared beef strips, arranging them over the yogurt and letting them cascade down the sides. It's time for that vibrant, glossy tomato butter sauce. Make sure it's piping hot, then generously spoon it all over the beef. To finish, sprinkle on finely chopped fresh parsley for freshness and color. Follow that with a final drizzle of sizzling melted butter for extra richness. And for that essential zesty kick, a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens everything up. And there you have it, a stunning plate of Çökertme Kebabı. The crisp potatoes, cool yogurt, succulent beef, and rich tomato sauce create a symphony of textures and tastes. This dish is rustic, beautiful, and truly unforgettable, ready to be enjoyed. Try Çökertme Kebabı at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious recipes.